What's going on, guys? Today we'll show you how to fit our trapezoid sidebars. These bars are rated at medium difficulty due to the range of bolts and fixings you'll have to use. For this process you'll need a ratchet with a 13mm head, a pair of snips and an 8mm hex socket screwdriver or spanner. Firstly, you'll need to loosen the splash guard by removing 4 screws on either side of the transporter. We do this as it uncovers the holes you'll need to fit the sidebars to. As you can see, these sidebars come with a range of different nuts, bolts and washers. The image on the screen shows the included fixings. The brackets are slightly different depending on the wheelbase. There are 2 different size brackets. The longer of the 2 brackets will be the one that you start with, and this will be at the rear. The easiest way to fit the brackets is to configure the nuts, bolts and washers before you offer it up to the underside of the vehicle. Make sure the bolts have a washer, followed by a spring washer and then a nut. Make sure the short side of the bracket is facing towards the front of the vehicle and slot the 2 T-screws into the rear holes that you uncovered. These may have rubber bungs in them, just remove them if they do. Once the bracket is sitting in place, you're now at the hardest part of the fitment. Tighten the nuts on either side to be hand tight, making sure that the bolts do not slip out of the hole. We only do it hand tight at this stage as the bracket may need to be aligned properly at the end. Now that the rear bracket is in place, repeat the process at the front. The slightly longer side of the bracket should be facing the rear. It's essential you put the middle screw in the bracket facing downwards, as this can't be put in once the bracket is secured. Before you fit the bar, it's important to know which end is the front and which end is the rear. The rear of the bar is the side with the shorter distance between the bracket and the end of the bar. It's only a small difference, so make sure you get this correct. Now you've got both brackets hand tight, offer the rear of the sidebar up to the bolt. You'll need a second pair of hands to hold up the other end of the bar while you're doing this. Secure the bar with a washer, spring washer and nut until hand tight. Then do the same for the front bracket. You can now choose how far you'd like the sidebar to protrude from the vehicle. Once you're happy, make sure to fully tighten all of the bolts using the ratchet. We're now at the final stage, which is resecuring the splash guard. Because the bracket slightly obstructs the plastic, it's necessary to make an adjustment to the guard by cutting out a square at the front and rear of the vehicle. Offer up the splash guard and work out which piece needs to be cut out. Then, using snips, remove the square of plastic. Now you can resecure your splash guard using the 4 screws that you removed at the start. Repeat the process on the opposite side of your transporter and the fitment of your new trapezoid sidebars will be completed. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content in the future.